CMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
Ulirembwa nganga okuva ku makyambu sebanyimita uyo mwana bamukyawa nnyo tayinza nakufuna kalulu ng'akajjawo naye yennyini akimanyi kati yabba bubbi ssente ng'ani alonda Audrey where can he get a vote? Bamujimbalala ngadduka. Two, they have a wrong perception about politics. They have a slave and master relationship. They have a hunter and hunting dog relationship. This is the mistake they have. They never studying nnyo obujozi bwabwe.
Si tribalism.
Si tribalism. We have a mafia gang which is splitting now. We have a mafia gang. Kakati ono omulenzi alabika nazaala we yamulimba yajja kusikira eggwanga n'ajooga buli omu ono mufere ano kange nabisi ano kange amazzi abba buli wamu ono. Do you know that a lot of money has been allocated to Prime Minister's office to relocate the refugees of Bududa? But the money is eaten annually.
Are you serious?
This man believes that this is a recurrent expenditure.
That should be there.
That should be there every time. That Bududa refugees. We shall arrest such a people, the dead woodies. How much money has the government give you to relocate people from Bududa?
Since time,
yes.
Budgets and
pesa yuko wapi? Randi ya watu wa Bududa yuko wapi? Kamata huyo. Hii. Kamata hii. Oneke. Kamata oneke. Peleka kwa mabusu. Who is eating this Bududa money? You will be arrested in the future.
Where is the accountability?
Muliko wafungwa. You are wafungwa. Yuko nyumbani zako. But you are wafungwa. Baje kubakwani. You'll be arrested. Olabina kalimanga jikanga bate ku kabanga linga embuzi ennume ate toteeka ko kabanga lyenu toteeka mu gwanga gende endulunga zivuga mu kibuga endu ye oyafuka emyaka aga kasito obakwatako engalo nakalima wanudde kamata nakalima pereka kwa mabusu wanudde nakalima ujarisi by sensible government because they are young and the documents are there. Why should we have internally displaced people
that we care for?
Annually. Yeah. Yes. The Auditor General should move in against such a people. Kamata hiyo mpumbavu kutoka Russian University. Kamata huyo, mkamate. Pereka kwa mabusu hiyo mzee. Pereka mwizi kabisa. And he gets the audacity and he buys a newspaper like this one that says no. This is rubbish. Any newspaper will be on the side of the Prime Minister. Why? The Prime Minister is saying, why should we continue with the solvable issues that are still being financed by government? We shall never meet again. There is nobody on earth who can reconcile us. Even if God sends Jubilee here, I will pick my gun and shoot Jubilee. Even if my father resurrects and tells me, I shoot him. These people must pay.
You don't want to reconcile.
Sakala for what? Nabachawa. Never different means of Jamuru. Sakana Mabuka Summit was State House. Baba Kubiranga. No, because I'm going to Kubira.